opening flat. Oil is trading with a modest drop. Likewise, NG trying to recover a little. Now, what should be our strategy to trade profitably today? Oil and NG, which position we should take, where to enter, where to exit, everything we're gonna decide with the help of charts and indicators. Do listen to it carefully and do note down the levels and do watch till the end. First, you look into oil, followed with NG. Also, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which will keep you updated with the latest analysis. Now let's start. First we'll look into US crude, and if you look at the US crude on the hourly charts, it is giving a breakout here. Certainly it is trying to trade bearish. At the same time, the resistance there at 91.8 is strong. Yes, I will recommend a buy entry only above 91.8 levels. If you see it trading above 91.8, certainly you can take a buy entry, else crude may show you little more bearishness there. Look at the hourly charts. This is first red candle, which is giving a breakout. This is the second red candle. There is a downward support, and hence we are getting a pullback on the upside. Yes, you can sell here at 90.5 levels. So 90.5, rather I will say 90.8 and 91.8, in between this $1 you should not take any position, though I expect it may try to show you a little more bearishness. We can expect 90.2 as the next support, and then in fact 89 is the major support. Now directional movement is bullish. It is trying to converge. Let's see if it does. Stochastic at bottom and it's oversold. The MACD is willing to cross over for a sell entry. See one move and now the candle might turn into red. Hence you have to be cautious there. It can continue with the bearish momentum once it crosses over. RSI was overbought, now looking downwards. Likewise on the 2-hour chart, similarly you will find that it is creating a step. The next candle probably will be decisive. Definitely it may try to take it till towards 90, 89.5 or 89 levels, which is the next major support. So it is creating a step. At the same time, consider it for a reversal if you see it trading above 91.8, and then beyond that certainly more bullishness can be expected. So do not trade between 91.8 and 90.8. That is the call. However, I think probably you can sell the rise out there and expect 90 and 89.5, 89 levels. However, the safe entry should be at 90.8 levels, but below that 90.2, 89.5, 89 are the targets. Directional movement bullish and it is trying to converge. Stochastic was overbought, now looking downwards, may take into oversold zone soon. The MACD is green, trying to converge here. RSI is overbought, looking downwards from here. The 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour chart, see this is the breakout here. This is the first red candle and still trying to close in doji. And yes, you can expect that the next red candle can also be there, which might take it till towards 90, 89.5 levels. And 89 is going to be a major support for the day. Below that 88, the strongest support. The directional movement is bullish. It is trying to converge. Stochastic is overbought and hence we are looking forward to a little drop there. The MACD is in green, trying to converge, crossover for a sell entry, and the RSI is extremely overbought, and that is why you can see little drop there. On the 4-hour charts too, likewise similar is the observation. Flat top 92.5, giving it a resistance, and now it is trying to retrace a little. See how oil has traded here. Rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Now retracement till only and only if oil trades below 88, consider it for a bearish drop, consider it for a drop. Till the time it trades above 88, this should be considered only as a retracement. Hence you have to be very careful there while taking a position. Directional movement is bullish. It is trying to converge and crossover for a sell entry. Stochastic overbought, looking downwards from here. We may see a little drop. The MACD is trying to converge, crossover for a sell entry, and RSI is overbought. We can expect a little drop here. And on the daily charts, look at the daily charts. See on the daily charts, only bullishness is beyond 91.8, but till 92.5 there is going to be major resistance. What it is trying to achieve on the downside, probably 89 levels, very strong support, and 88 levels. Only and only if it breaks below 88, definitely it is going to give you a major downward push. Directional movement so far is bullish, trying to converge here. Stochastic is overbought, possibly it may cross over for a sell entry today. The MACD is divergent and bullish. I will wait for it to converge, crossover, and RSI looking downwards here. Considering this, Uh, Only buy position is today at above 91.8, sell position at 90.8. In between 91.8 and 90.8, do not take any position. Above 91.8 also till 92.5, you have to be very very cautious with your long positions. Yes, there is a resistance at 92 levels and then 92.5 levels. These two levels you should watch out for if you are buying at 91.8. Beyond 92.5, certainly more bullishness can be expected. Then we can expect 93.2, and beyond that it is going to fly for 95 and plus levels. On the downside, sell here at 90.8 levels. Expect 90.2 as a major support, 89.5 and 89. 89 is going to be a strongest support. Below 89, directly I will look forward to 88.2, 88 levels, and then below that we can expect more bearishness to kick in. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss in between, and yes, do not trade in between 90.8 and 91.8 levels. Now let's have a look at NG. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably and learn this art of identifying the supports, resistances, taking right trades at the right times and the right exits, you can join my mentorship batch. 16 batch starts on 7th of November. There are limited seats available and solely it is on first come first serve basis. So book your seats now. Reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description, as you can just be part of my signals group where trading as per the signals, definitely you can profit. And if you want to support the effort which I am putting day in day out for you on YouTube, you can become a patron and support the effort. All the links are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now NG on the hourly chart. NG on the hourly charts is waiting for a breakout. There is a resistance at 6.86 and then 6.9. Yes, above 6.85, 6.86 zone, certainly you can take a buy position. 6.9 is the next target, and beyond that we can expect 6.95, which is going to be the major resistance. Beyond that it will fly. Directional movement is bearish. It is still trading in the bearish zone. Stochastic bouncing back from the oversold zone. MACD is on the verge of a bullish crossover here, and RSI trading flat here. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, see, despite couple of retracement candles, see, it is trying to trade within this narrowing triangle. Yes, beyond 6.95, certain 6.85, certainly you can buy there. Expect 6.9, 6.95 and then $7 levels as the resistance on the upside. Yes, you can buy there at 6.85, the safe entry there. On the downside, only sell position I will recommend is below 6.75. Below that you can expect it to drop more. For 6.7 and below that we may see further drop for 6.66, 6.55, 6.5 and 6.4 levels. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is at bottom trying to bounce back up. MACD trying to converge, crossover for a bullish move. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now look at the 3-hour charts. See, it is achieved the bottom, trying to retrace a little. At the same time, look at these candles. Hence 6.9 levels should be a very strong resistance. Trading above 6.9, we can expect 6.957 and beyond 7 it will fly away on the upside. So buy at 6.85, sell at 6.75. On the upside you have to be cautious of 6.9, 6.95 levels. Directional movement not indicative of anything. Stochastic oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish here. RSI looking upwards, trying to bounce back a little. And look at the 4-hour charts too. On the 4-hour charts you will find that it is trying to reverse from here and it is giving you higher. At the same time, failing to go past 6.85, certainly above 6.85 you can buy there. Expect 6.9 as a major resistance, 6.95 as the next, and $7 levels the strongest resistance. Beyond $7 levels, certainly it will fly high. So at the same time, below 6.75 sell and expect 6.7, and below that 6.66, 6.55, 6.5 levels can be seen there. Directional movement not indicative of anything. Stochastic is oversold. We may see a little bounce back. The MACD is divergent and bearish. Let it converge, and RSI is looking upwards. And on the daily charts, if you look at on the daily charts, you'll find, see, higher lows, higher highs, retracement, a rise probably beyond 6.85. Certainly a bullish move can be expected. I will expect it to rise and I will expect it to achieve 7.2, 7.4 levels. Yes, below 6, but at the same time, look at this zone below 6.7. Certainly it will call for a bearish move. Hence buy above 6.85, sell below 6.75. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD has crossed over and it is in green. RSI looking upwards. Yes, above 6.85 till 6.9, you have the first resistance, 6.95 next in $7 levels. The next resistance beyond $7 levels, you can remain bullish for the rest of the week. You can expect 7.2, 7.4, 7.5 levels on the downside, while in fact it can fly beyond 7.5 also. On the downside, sell at 6.75. Expect 6.7 as the major support, and below that you can expect further downside to it till towards 6.6, 6.5 and 6.4 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Join my mentorship batch, join my signal group, become a pattern, support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.